Samsung is reshaping its smartphone strategy, and the Galaxy S26 Ultra is clear proof. One of the most notable shifts is its subtle but significant distancing from Google, as the company aims to diversify its AI partnerships and features. Starting with design, ICE Universe, a well-known and reliable industry insider, has confirmed that Samsung is ditching the camera rings introduced on the S25 Ultra. Those rings received mixed feedback, and after internal testing with early engineering samples, one of which leaked and turned out to be legitimate, Samsung has decided to revert to a design more aligned with the S24 Ultra. Now, the rumors about the S Pen being removed, not happening. Again, ICE Universe has confirmed there are absolutely no plans to drop the S Pen, not for the S26 Ultra, and not even for the S27 Ultra. The stylus remains an essential part of the Ultra identity, and Samsung isn't walking away from that anytime soon, so those speculations can be put to rest. In terms of memory, there's a clear performance upgrade. The Galaxy S26 Ultra will finally come with 16GB of RAM as a global standard. While the S25 Ultra did offer a 16GB variant, it was only available in limited regions like South Korea and China. This time, Samsung is rolling it out worldwide, marking the first global 16GB Ultra model since the S21 Ultra. The timing isn't random. Apple's upcoming iPhone 17 models are expected to feature 12GB of RAM. According to ICE Universe, the Galaxy S26 Ultra uses a higher energy density battery. While capacity remains 5,000 mAh, the physical size has shrunk, allowing Samsung to reduce the device's thickness instead of increasing battery life. He also claims charging speeds have finally improved due to new technology that lowers battery temperature during charging. Where it gets even more interesting is in the AI space. Samsung's previous launch heavily relied on Google's Gemini for nearly every major AI feature: summarization, photo editing, and smart replies. Gemini essentially became the brains of the S25 Ultra, while Samsung's own Bixby faded into the background. But according to Bloomberg, Samsung is now forging a deeper relationship with Perplexity AI. This is a strategic move to reduce its dependence on Google. The Galaxy S26 Ultra will reportedly ship with the Perplexity AI app pre-installed, and there's speculation it might even be the default AI assistant. Furthermore, Samsung's own internet browser is expected to integrate Perplexity search capabilities, giving users an alternative to Google search. And perhaps most notably, Perplexity is also being tapped to help enhance Bixby's intelligence, suggesting Samsung isn't abandoning its assistant, but reinventing it with better tools. Why shift away from Google's Gemini, especially when it's still one of the most powerful AI systems around? It's not about abandoning quality, it's about independence. Relying solely on one tech giant for core AI functions can limit innovation and tie a brand's identity too closely to a competitor. Samsung wants to build AI features that are distinctive, with more control over user experience and data. That said, Gemini isn't going anywhere. It will still be available for those who prefer it, but now Samsung users will have more flexibility, and that's the whole point. The Galaxy S26 Ultra is expected to start at $1,299, with the official launch slated for January 2026.